Nilinaw ng ating mga kapulisan ng Police Regional Office 11 ng isang individual matapos umano na mataang nakasuot ng police uniform sa loob mismo ng KOJC compound nito lamang ika-20 ng Agosto taong kasalukuyan sa KOJC compound, Buhangin, Davao City. Ayon sa panayam ni Police Major Catherine De La Rey, spokesperson ng PRO 11, nakilala ito bilang si alias Edward na dating miyembro ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ.
We acknowledge the recent concerns involving Edward Masayon, a former KOJC worker who was reportedly seen wearing a police uniform at the KOJC compound. We want to address this matter with clarity and assertiveness. The Philippine National Police upholds strict protocols regarding the use of police uniforms. Any unauthorized use of these uniforms is a serious offense and will be rigorously investigated. Our immediate priority is to verify the identity of the individual in question and determine if any misuse of the uniform has occurred. Furthermore, we want to make it clear that any attempts to exploit this incident to tarnish the PNP's reputation are unacceptable. Those who seek to damage our image with unfounded claims will face appropriate consequences. We will not tolerate actions intended to undermine the integrity and trust we have built with the public. The PNP remains committed to transparency, accountability, and the highest standards of conduct. We will update the public on the progress of our investigation and continue to demonstrate our dedication to excellence in service.
Nagpapaalala ang ating mga kapulisan sa publiko na ang pambansang pulisya ng Pilipinas ay mahigpit na sumusunod sa mga patakaran sa pagsusuot ng uniforme ng PNP. Ang anumang hindi otorisadong paggamit ng mga uniformeng ito ay isang seryosong paglabag at mahigpit na iniimbestigahan.
Mula dito sa KOJC compound, Davao City, ako ang inyong